Hi everyone, so today I will show you my teeter, which is a very nice teeter from me. I don't know you will like it or not. So see, it's 10 o'clock morning time. So let's see how they look like today. They need a little bit exercise. This one is male and that one is female. So I think they damaged my shoes. These shoes is 115 pound 99 pence, but they almost look, they almost damaged. She already starting crossing, so maybe a week later they will be ready for eggs. They are very nice to me. They love me, to be honest. This not mean they hate me. They love me. Oh my gosh. No way. Look at that. I think fight is finished, man. Early morning you need to keep warm and give a little bit exercise. This is very good for health. So also they can eat very well. Oh my god! Come on, man, leave me alone. Come on. You be cool guy, man. What's wrong? I feed you, I give you food, I give you water, fresh water. Also, and still fight me. Why? I will show you which food I give you to this teeter, and that's why they are very, how you can say, healthy. I think finish our fight, right? I still need more. Okay, let's do it. Finish? Enough? Enough? Okay, okay. Okay, so this is the food I provided for my teeter bird. Also, I have nice DC chicken murga also for them as well. So everything here available. You can see I can't subscribe all of these each name, but you can see everything is here, as you can see. Anyway, this is very cheap, like 1.5 kilo, 1.5 kg, just for 50 pence. In my back home, the price is here is very cheap. Also, I have a nice DC Morga. I will show you that one as well. This is my female chicken. Come on, what's wrong? Today you look like unhappy. She very nice quality. Every bird have own personality. She is very friendly. I will show you male. This is a male, very healthy chicken. You can see This is another female. She very danger. She fight with every single female, and she win the fight. She is the winner. She also have a different personality, different quality. Each Desi Murga have own personality. People say this is the real or this is the pure real. Maybe they're right or wrong, but Desi Murga mm, have own personality. I have another black one. Let me shoot that one as well. So she is very nice quality. She one of my best female chicken. She is the best. She a little bit scary, and I keep it just for my fun, not for fighting or any other type of business. No. Alhamdulillah, I keeping very healthy. So this I have 1, 2, 3, and there is some baby chicken as well. So only I have this male. So I'm looking for another different quality. This is called Miawali. Is a very nice quality. I have these are the baby. Maybe you all can see or not. They are the baby. Each baby have different personality, different quality. I like it. There's 5 of them, 2 male and 3 female. So this all about comes from one mother. I mean all of them, all eggs from the same mother. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question or any doubt, please subscribe and mention in the my channel. Thank you very much.